Hey, it's Ari here. How you doing? Hopefully you are doing well. In today's video, I want to share with you another strategy you could use to make money online. This will involve using email addresses, or more in particular, Gmail accounts actually, and you could use these to generate $5 per day online, or if you're doing this multiple times, pretty much every $5 every time that you do this. So before I really get into things, if this is the first video you're seeing on this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and tick that bell notification to get notified of all the videos I post on this channel. This channel is primarily about affiliate marketing that I pretty much talk about, how to really build a business online through affiliate marketing, different ways of making money online. That's pretty much what this channel is all about. So if that is something that interests you and you want to learn more about that, be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notification to get notified of all the videos whenever I post them on this channel. But with all that out of the way, let's get right into the strategy. So what you want to do is you will want to go to google.com, and from here you just want to go in the search box and type in Player Up. That's the name of the site here. And this is primarily like a gaming site. It's got things related to like Fortnite, Clash of Clans. It's a lot of online games, or that's pretty much like what it's all about here. So Clash of Clans, Epic 7, Fortnite accounts, YouTube accounts. But what you'll want to do is you want to go to this site here, and as you can see here, it's people selling things related to gaming, selling like accounts. So in this case, I'm not going to worry about any of this at all. I mean, you could if you want, you could decide to go into that. But in this video, the strategy that I want to share here is I will go down to the very bottom of the page. And at the very bottom of the page, there's a box in the bottom right that says All Other Games / Marketplace. What you'll want to do is you want to click on this. And this will bring you to a page where it's kind of like an alphabetical type of search engine. So you just click on that. It'll take a second to load up. Click if it wants to load up. Oh, here we go. So it's loading up now, and as you can see, it's got all the different letters here. What you'll want to do is you want to click on the letter G. So you just want to click on this, and from here you will want to find an option that says Gmail OG. That's going to be the one that I'm looking for here. So that is right here, Gmail OG. You'll just want to click on this, and from here it's going to give you a list of people that are selling Gmail accounts, verified Gmail accounts, for anywhere from like $5 to $10, $25, $2, $1. As you can see here, we'll let that load up for a second. Loading, I don't know why it's being so slow, but yeah, it's kind of loading a bit there. But anyways, as you can see here, $2 per Gmail account, $5, $25, $10, $5. You can pretty much just kind of go through the list and kind of check out, exactly what is available. But right here, people are selling Gmail accounts, verified Gmail accounts. Now, when you create a Gmail account, the thing that it will ask you for in order to verify the account is a phone number. You could either put in your own phone number, or if you have another phone number you could use, you could then put that in to create a verified Gmail account. Now, there's multiple benefits of having a verified Gmail account. People generally want a verified Gmail account so that when they sign up for a new site, usually the site will give them some sort of incentive to having a verified Gmail account. Either that, or more commonly, when someone, because when you create a Gmail account, since it's under Google, you also get a YouTube account as well. So that is what you get by default. And when you create videos on YouTube, YouTube generally values accounts more that are verified Gmail addresses, especially if they are older Gmail addresses. Generally, if you post content from a valid Gmail account, one that is verified, your videos will tend to rank better in YouTube than if you were to use just a regular email that isn't verified at all. So that is why people are looking for verified Gmail accounts, and people might not, for whatever reason, have access to one, or maybe they use their number for something else and they can't get another verified Gmail account. So a lot of people will go to a site like playerup.com, and they'll be willing to pay $2 per Gmail account, or $5 or $25, or whatever the case may be, to get a verified Gmail account so that they could use it for whatever it is that they're looking to to do pretty much. So there's this site that you could buy them from, and then there's also Fiverr.com. If you search up YouTube verified account, you'll get a list of people offering this same exact service here. So, I will find, I will provide verified 7-month-old Google Mail, $20 there. I'll create professionally verified YouTube account. So again, this is another place where you could choose to buy verified Gmail accounts. But anyways, what you'll want to do is you will want to create verified Gmail accounts that you could provide, as either on PlayerUp.com or Fiverr.com as well. You could pretty much list these. But to do this, what you'll want to do is you'll want to create Gmail accounts. And when it asks for your phone number, what you could do is instead of putting in your own phone number, what you'll want to do is you'll want to look up, you want to go to Google again, and you'll want to look up a phone number for verification. And from here, it's going to give you multiple results, multiple different websites that you could go to. As you can see here, there's multiple ones you could check out. For instance, I could check out this one here that says receive SMS online. So when I click on that, it's going to give me a list of phone numbers that I could use for verification. I could simply scroll down here, and as you can see right at the top, there's 4 US phone numbers that I could use for verification. Some of these, maybe they might be used, but otherwise, these sites generally tend to get updated fairly often. So you could use any of these mobile numbers, and you can create Gmail accounts, verified Gmail accounts, and then what you could do is you could list them on PlayerUp.com, or also you could do it on Fiverr as well. But that is pretty much the strategy, what you could pretty much do. And what I would recommend doing is listing each phone number for, you could probably start around $5. And, as you start getting, lots of sales coming in, if you get lots of people that, they trust you, then what you could eventually do down the road is you could choose to bump up the price, and maybe you could charge, $10 per verified Gmail account. But that is pretty much the strategy. That's pretty much all there is to it. You just create verified Gmail accounts, and then you could pretty much list them to sell on PlayerUp.com or Fiverr.com, as I mentioned. But that's pretty much a strategy. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this a like. Be sure to leave a comment down in the description letting me know your thoughts. And if you'd like to learn more about how you could build a business online, you want something that is more long-term, and you really want to you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing or promoting any sort of products online, the very first link in the description will get you access to my free training I put together. That is a free 4-day training, and that pretty much goes over the 4 main components you must have in place in order to really build a long-term business online. So be sure to check that out there. And anyways, hope you enjoyed this video, and take care.